Guys, what's going on? This is Addison with LeSueur Car Company, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to put your wipers into service mode in 2 ways. Let's get right into it. All right, so let's get into the ID4 real quick. All right, so usually what you could do is you can press the start engine button right here, on the side of the steering wheel, and you can see that it says wipers and service position. You just press that, and boom, you get into service position. Something else that you can actually do is you can go to the start engine button, press on the button, and you can tell it says goodbye, and then you can press up on this lever and it'll go into service position as well, which is absolutely fantastic. So I love this feature here on the ID4, and our technicians here in the service department at LeSueur Car Company love it as well. And this is because it makes it so much easier to replace these windshield wipers. And not only that, but it cuts down on time when it comes to inspections and other things of the sort. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope that you can continue to watch these little tutorial videos that we're putting out. And you guys have a great and wonderful rest of your day.